Hello, this is Gene Kanata, Chief Technologist of Skin Photo Text Match. I'd like to tell you about one of our apps, Skinstamatic. The Skinstamatic app was created by dermatologists to improve access to dermatology information. So I'm brought to my photo books because I already have some photo books created. If I were a new user and I had no photo books created, I would be given a brief tutorial and taken to the Create Photo Book section. So a photo book is a way to provide information to our dermatologists, and to do so I'm going to click on the first photo button at the top. It's indicated that I should take a close-up based on the graphic. I'm going to choose to take a photo from my phone here, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot a picture right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this photo. And I'm going to move and zoom in, so I'm going to move things around a little bit. I'm going to say use it there. It tells me I can obscure identifying features. These would be things like tattoos or maybe jewelry, things that would maybe be visible. People who saw it would know they were mine. So I'm going to go ahead and use the tool basically with my finger just to cover up this wedding here. So I'm going to go ahead and say use this picture now. And there it is. So optionally, I may add a second photo zoomed out. In this case, I don't need to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. Now here is some optional information I can add to help the folks looking at this picture to understand what's going on here. So I'm going to identify, put some information in here about it, how long I've had it. I'm just going to say months here, and location. I chose my hand. It may put other things like if there's fever associated or itch or headache that I've experienced along with this. And I can put a description in here if I so choose. So I'm going to skip that. Go ahead and hit upload. So this pushes up into our secure server. It says thank you. And you can see here that the identification is pending on this server right here, on this photo. So I'll look through some of these other ones. Usually takes maybe hours to a couple of days tops to get an identification back. And I'm going to select this photo book here. You may see that there's a couple of answers here, a couple of identifications, warts and verruca vulgaris. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. I want to know about it. So this is taking it into our back end the Wiki Skin Atlas. You can see this article is about warts, and it says common warts, apparently also known as verruca vulgaris, are benign skin proliferation. And there's more in the article here that I can peruse. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the photo book here, and you can see that the identifications based on what I just read are really the same thing. So 70% of the board of dermatologists who saw this felt that it was a wart also known as verruca vulgaris. I'm going to go ahead and go back. So from here, you can say, well, what else can I do? I can go to the top level. Some things to focus on would be to find a dermatologist. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here an area where I know there are some. Just put in the first part, hit search. It's leveraging Google API to do the lookups and find embedded in the application here. From here, I can choose. Let's just go ahead and choose this here at center of West Palm Beach, and this is Christina Lampori. I'm going to go ahead and share a photo book with her. And it's giving me some information that these books will be selected with the doctor. When it is shared with them, however, they don't get your name. They do get a kind of a code similar to a airline reservation code. I'm going to choose this verruca vulgaris picture as we've met before, and I'm just going to choose that one to share with her and hit done. All right, now, so it tells me I should call the office to make the appointment. Gives me my appointment code. That's what I would tell the doctor if I wanted them to see the photo book as it was identified by our board. Gives you the location. And I can hit these buttons down here to add the appointment to the calendar, to add the office to contacts. I can also see the shared photo book that I've associated here. So that's the appointment functionality. And I can also see what appointments I've had in the past. So these are ones that I have previously have made, and there's a record of that having been done here to give you some history. So those are the main functions that I wanted to highlight, and thank you for your time and attention, and I hope you can use our app to get the information that you need.